To change your handle name on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube handle name on your phone and your desktop. Okay, so it's very easy. Let's start with your phone. On your phone, you are going to go to your profile and you are then going to click on your channel. And when you go to your channel, you'll see the pin icon on your right and you're going to click on that. Next up, you're going to go to the handle name and you're going to edit to whatever you want. You can change the numbers, letters, and then you are ready. Okay, and if you want to change it, you have 14 days to change it back. Okay, right, now we're going to go to the desktop version. You're going to go to your youtube.com homepage and you're going to type in youtube.com handle in the search bar, if that's going to be easier. And then let's just give it a while to load. You are going to go and change the handle. So you're just going to click and yeah, then it'll give you the exact same option. You will still be able to change it twice every 14 days. So yeah, I hope that was helpful, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Did you find it easy or did you struggle? And yeah, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.